Good morning, children. Let us continue our lesson, Unit 1.4, The King's Choice. Children, in the last class we studied the fox find the camel in the desert and he presented him in front of the lion because the lion was not able to walk. So what they do? The lion king, the fox and the leopard jumped on the camel's back and they started their journey back into the forest. And what about the vulture? The vulture flew over them as a guide. Okay, now let us come to page number 13 of your textbook. Let us read first. When the travelers reached the forest, they were all tired and hungry. The fox, the leopard, and the vulture looked at the camel. Then they looked at each other and smiled hungry smiles. They had brought the camel for the king's dinner. Now it was time for the feast. The Lion King knew what his courtiers were thinking. He called the camel to him. Friend Camel, he said, I have to thank you for saving my life. You are welcome to live at my court as long as you like. I promise you my protection. Now, children, see what happened over here. The travelers reached the forest safely. Who were the travelers? Yes, the lion, the leopard, the fox, and the vulture. Okay. How they came back safely? Yes, because they came back on the camel. The camel carried them on his back. So they safely came back to the forest. Now, children, they all were extremely tired and hungry. Why, children? Because they did not eat anything or they did not drink anything since morning, and not only that, the hot sun and the long journey made them extremely tired. Now, the fox, the leopard, and the vulture looked at the camel. Then they also looked at each other. Now, children, the three courtiers were waiting for the lion to kill the camel because, according to them, they brought the camel for king's dinner. So, they are waiting for the lion to kill the camel. And what these three courtiers thought here, if the camel killed the if the lion king killed the camel, then after he feasted, the leftover part will be our dinner. So they were waiting to kill the camel. But children, things happened differently. The Lion King understood what his courtiers were thinking. So, what did the lion do? He called the camel to his side and said, Friend camel, I am very much grateful to you for saving my life. Now, you can live at my court as long as you like. You are a part of my court. I take care of your protection. See, children, here why the Lion King did not kill the camel even though he was very hungry. But he did not kill the camel. What was the reason? Can you say? Because the camel saved his life. The lion was a kind king. We come to understand here the lion was a kind king. Also he know as a king he should show kindness to other animals also. So he did not kill the camel. Now, next part. The lion's courtiers were shocked. Had they not risked their lives so that he could try camel's meat? And the king wanted to let the camel live. The courtiers were not pleased with his decision, yet they could do nothing. Now the lion's paws were so badly burned that he could not go hunting, but that did not keep him from growing very hungry indeed. Fox, leopard, vulture, he shouted, don't you see that I am ill and hungry? Go and get me some food. So, children, by hearing the lion's words, the courtiers become shocked. And, of course, they have to obey the king. But because king's decision was unexpected, what was the decision? They were waiting to kill the camel, but instead of killing, what did the Lion King do? He appointed the camel as one of his courtier. Okay? They were very unhappy on the decision of the Lion King. But children, they could not do anything. Why? because they were courtiers. They always have to obey the king. They are not able to do anything. Now the lion was not able to go for hunting. What happened to the lion? Also in the previous class we came to know his paws were badly burned. Now he was not able to even walk. So he was very hungry now. So what did he do? He ordered his courtiers to get food for him. Of course, they have to obey the king. Now it is your duty. You have to bring food for me. So in the previous classes we came to know the Lion King he hunted animals and provided food for them. Now he ordered to his courtiers, I am not able to go for hunting, you have to bring food for me. Then what happens, see children? The courtiers had obeyed the king, so out they went. But they did not go far. They sat down in a safe place and discussed what they could do. I know, said the fox after a while, we will make the camel ask to be eaten. He told the others of his plan. They all agreed. So back they went to the king. First the vulture stepped forward. Your Majesty, he said, bowing low, we have found no food, but we cannot let your Majesty suffer. I am a poor creature, eat me. Now children, of course, the courtiers have to obey the king. So according to the order of the king, the courtiers went out for hunting. But they did not go far away. They did not actually go for hunting. Then what they do? They decided to do something instead of hunting. So the three courtiers sat on a safe place and they started thinking what they can do instead of hunting. After a while, the fox got a plan because we know he is very cunning. He told others of his plan. The leopard and the vulture agreed fox's plan and they went back to the king without a hunting. Now children, what happened over here? The three courtiers came and stood in front of the king. Then out of these three, the vulture stepped forward and he bowed before the king and said to the king, Your Majesty, we went for hunting, but we have found no food. But we don't want our king remain hungry. I am a poor creature. I am ready to sacrifice my life for you. You can eat me. The vulture said to the lion. Children, what happened here? Actually, they went to find food for the king. No, they did not go. Instead, they made a plan. What they thought, if the Lion King did not get any food, finally he was forced to kill the camel and satisfy his hunger, then we can eat the leftover part. This was the idea of these three courtiers. Okay, this was their secret plan. Okay, children, understood? So the remaining part we will study next class. Now let us discuss the questions which is given on this page. The first question is given. The fox, the leopard and the vulture have the same thought about the camel. Why is it so? So the answer is the fox, the leopard and the vulture have a same thought because they had brought the camel for the king's dinner and according to them it was time for feast. So they have a same thinking. Next question. Did you accept the king to be kind to the camel? Do you think his decision was right? Yes, children. Yes. I expected, or according to me, the king is kind to the camel. Yes, his decision was right. Okay. Next question. Why did the courtiers have to obey the king? The courtiers had to obey the king because they had taken an oath when they are appointed as courtiers. So according to that oath, they have to obey the king. Now, next question. Were the courtiers being loyal to the king? Yes, children, what you understood? Actually, the courtiers were not loyal to the king. Okay. Now, understood, children? Today we will stop here. The last part we will study in the next class. Okay. You have to complete your assignments in CW book. Okay.